guys and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe is this super simple recipe that you can make on the weekend or when you just don't want to make something very elaborate. So today is an easy recipe of garlic chicken. So let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. So let's see today's lovely and simple to make garlic chicken recipe. Let me take you through the ingredients. There are very few ingredients. So here I have 2 medium-sized onions that I've chopped fine, 20 cloves of garlic, half an inch of ginger, and 1 green chili that I've just cut up into half. Here there are about 8 to 10 curry leaves and about 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, chopped fine. 1 medium-sized tomato chopped fine, half a teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. I'll leave a recipe of homemade garam masala down below. 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, and this is 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds or sauf. And this is about 200 grams of chicken cut into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to heat a pan and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add these fennel seeds and I'm going to saute them in the oil. And you'll get this beautiful aroma of these fennel seeds or sauf. They have a sweetish kind of an aroma. Next, I'm going to add the ginger, the garlic and the green chilies. We're going to fry all of this for at least half a minute, till the rawness of the garlic and the ginger goes away. Then I'm going to add the curry leaves and I'm also going to add the chopped onions. And now I'm going to fry everything on a medium flame for at least 10 minutes. We want the onions to completely turn into a dark golden color or a darkish brown color like this. Once that is done, just transfer it to a bowl and let it come completely to room temperature. Once it comes to room temperature, I'm going to add the tomato and I'm going to grind this to a very smooth paste without adding any water. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee to the same pan. This is the ground paste. And I've also added about half a cup of water to the mixer jar in which the masala was ground. And this is the masala water. We're going to use it in the recipe. We will also be needing 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Now once the ghee is nice and hot, I'm going to add this ground masala paste and we're going to fry this paste for at least a whole minute. We're going to fry this on a medium flame till it changes to a darkish color and starts to ooze out a little bit of ghee or oil. So this is also very key to this recipe, that you fry this paste really well. Now I'm going to add all the powder masalas, that is the coriander powder, the cumin powder, the Kashmiri chili powder, the garam masala and the turmeric. And again we're going to saute this for another whole minute. And I'm also going to add some salt to taste. And now again I'm going to mix everything and fry everything for a whole minute. Frying the masala paste is very key and very important to this recipe. That brings out all the flavor to this recipe. So fry everything for a whole minute. And you will see now that the masala changes into a very darker color and you see some ghee or oil oozing out of the mixture. It changes its consistency. And this is the time we're going to add the chicken. Now you can use chicken on the bone also for this recipe. And I'm going to coat the chicken really well with this bagar or this masala. That's also very important. See that all the pieces are nicely coated with this chicken, with the masala, sorry. So take your time and let the masala coat the chicken really nicely. Now this is more of a drier dish, but if you want to have a little bit more of gravy, you can increase the water from half a cup to 1.5 cup or 1 cup, depending on how much gravy you need. I'm keeping this dish dry, more on the drier side or semi-dry. So now I'm going to add this 1/4 cup of masala water. And again, I'm going to mix everything really well. And we've done up with all the ingredients. Now all we have to do is just cook the chicken till it's really nicely done. So mix everything really nicely. And then we're just going to cover and cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes on a low flame, stirring in intervals. And finally, our lovely garlic chicken is all ready. All it needs is a lovely garnish of some fresh coriander. You can have this with some chapatis, some rotis, some naan, or some dal and rice. It tastes really very delicious. So do give this recipe a try. So wasn't that a real easy recipe, something quick and delicious too? So if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And once you have subscribed, do click the notification bell and click on all. That way whenever I put up a new video, you get a message for the same, so you won't miss out any of the lovely recipes coming up on my channel. Thank you so much for supporting Akshata's recipes by watching my videos, leaving your comments, leaving your likes. It really means the world to me. So on that note, thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. Till we meet again, see ya!